Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to reset Midea air conditioner. To reset your Midea air conditioner, start with remove. Since it doesn't have a dedicated reset button, remove the batteries from the back panel and wait about 10 seconds. While the batteries are out, press a few buttons to fully discharge any residual electricity and ensure the remote is completely powered down. Reinsert the batteries, turn the remote back on, and you should notice it's effectively reset. To reset the air conditioner itself, simply unplug the unit from the outlet, wait a few seconds, and then plug it back in. This process helps clear minor system errors, refreshes internal settings, and ensures both remote and air conditioner operate smoothly and reliably. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.